arrangements with the court. My name is Don Marquez. This is your Insurance Connection. Good morning, Christene.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Oh, good. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday. Yay.
What do you have for us today, Christene?
Well, I wanted to talk to the audience about the difference between a living will and a medical power of attorney. A living will is a formal document that actually puts your specific desires in place of your medical treatment and indicates that you are incapacitated or you can't make medical decisions for yourself. It's also a good idea to give this to your doctor so that they know what your wishes are. For instance, if you want to do not resuscitate or if you don't want intravenous feedings or things of that nature. A medical power of attorney, however, designates a person to help you make those decisions in case you're not able to make the decisions. So it's really a good practice to have both a living will and a medical and financial power of attorney.
I'm so glad you brought that up because in my lifetime, I know people that have kept people on life support for a very long time, even with no brain activity. And the families are going back and forth. You know, let's let our parent go or our loved one go. You're not doing anything. They're not going to come back. They're in this, state where, I don't know, they're laying, they have this trach down their throat, they're breathing, their heart is beating, but there's no brain activity. And I actually, I see it in my profession. I've seen it where they leave people on life support for a very long time. It doesn't, because the insurance is going to pay for it. And I don't understand it. Now, what you're talking about, it helps to eliminate that. It carries out the wishes of the loved one. And
exactly.
And I think it's a little selfish. I understand you want to hold on to your loved one. I mean, it's hard to let go. But let the person stop, end the suffering. And the person probably don't even know that they're even there, really. It's just, you're just nurturing the body. That's all you're doing.
So the living will actually gives the person, you or I, while we're in a healthy state, a chance to say what we want, how we want our end of life spelled out. If we want our organs donated, if we don't want our organs donated, what type of pain management we want or that we don't want. Mm-hmm. We get to make those decisions while we're healthy and alive, opposed to somebody else making them for us.
Yeah, that's amazing. The organ donation, people, especially when young people, die unexpected. They take their organs away without the family's consent sometimes, and they sell those organs for a lot of money, and people can't even bury their loved ones, but the hospitals, they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars on just a heart. And we're talking about lungs, liver, kidneys,
eyes.
And the list just goes on. The money they make is unbelievable, and they won't give the family $1.
So we need to take charge of that and have our own living will and our own designated person to make those choices available and share it with the doctor so that they know, in case they can't reach anyone, what you want and what you don't want.
I see. And tell our listeners how to get in touch with you, Christene.
I can be reached at 702-430-2240. That's 702-430-2240. Or at my website, you can look me up at www.everything-legal.com.
And your products and services that you offer for our listeners?
I am a mobile notary. I will come to you or somewhere close to you. I also assist with the formation of LLCs, corporations. I work with you to get your EIN number from the IRS. I actually also do grant deed sale bargains where we can add a right of survivor to your deed so that your home stays in the family and doesn't go to probate. So we have a plethora of documents that we can help you that don't require an attorney.
And you know, it's amazing because people procrastinate on a lot of issues, and now is the time to stop procrastinating. You receive this information right here at Power 88, and no other station does this but Power 88 here in Southern Nevada. And you know, we're talking to this is the people station, and we're talking to the people, but it's no good if we just talk and you don't act. You must respond to this information. Everyone needs this service sometime in their life. Everyone needs this service. So please contact Christene. Give him your phone number, Christene.
702-430-2240.
Say it again.
702-430-2240.
Thank you so much, Christene. Thank you for coming on the air
and just having me on the show.
Oh no, anytime. You know, you're welcome. You're a team member of Your Insurance Connection. We'll do this again, and you have a great week.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, take care.